Hi, this is the Daily Forex Report for December 13th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair first. This pair had a very large range, did close down today, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 84.72, possibly as low as 82.36. Look for some resistance around 84.35 and look for some support around 83.05. Okay, now let's take a look at the Euro USD pair. This pair moved higher, had a very strong day to the upside, retraced the gap. We are looking for it to continue moving sideways overall. Look for the bias to continue sideways as well, possibly moving as high as 135.94, possibly as low as 131.03. Look for some resistance around 134.40. and look for some support around 131.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair continues to move to the upside, did break the trend line by a little bit, moved higher. We are looking for it to continue overall having a slight bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 160.21, possibly as low as 156.43. Look for some resistance around 158.95. and look for some support around 157.15. Okay, now the US Swiss, this pair dove to the downside, broke through previous support, closed lower, is moving lower. We have a bias that is to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high on a reversal to 0.9907, possibly as low as 0.9514. Look for some resistance around 0.9725. and look for some support around 0.9645. Now, as far as news announcements go, we have the pound releasing their consumer price index for November at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that things have held at 3.2%. We also at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time have the U.S. releasing their advanced retail sales for November, showing a decline from 1.2% down to 0.6%. Just have to wait and see if that advanced retail sales comes out lower. If it is, that's negative news for the US dollar. We also have the FOMC announcement rate decision for the US being released at 2:15 p.m. Consensus on that is that they're going to hold rates at 0.25%. Now, as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, the Euro USD had a very strong day to the upside with a total range of about 250. Now, if you drop to the hour time frame and zoom out a little bit, you can see that we've had a strong run up. Now, we do have an FOMC announcement coming, so definitely take this with a grain of salt because typically the markets move sideways leading up to that. But if you take your Fib retracement level, we're just now hitting the 23.6 level. Put on your Fibonacci fan, and you can see here we have our box that is just now starting to be broken. It's actually dipped into it and then pulled back. If you take that low, look for it to take out that low and then come on down to this point on a reversal. That's kind of what I'm looking for, basically to take out, let's zoom in a little bit, take out that current low and then move on down. Be about a 20 pip move is what I'm looking for over this next session, taking the tops here as an area for your stop loss. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.